Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to the stream today. Don't I look very, very spiffy? I look very, very spiffy today. Yeah, I'm trying to look super, super professional. Guys, we have a lot to talk about with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's actually getting a little bit of a dump here. Just wanted to, see what you guys think of my spiffy outfit today. I think it looks absolutely phenomenal. Doesn't it make me look so professional? It makes me look so professional, doesn't it? But anyways. So 43,500 Bitcoin is coming back down to test some key levels. We actually might have broken a short-term support. So if you guys want to, make sure you guys sign up to my trading group. Remember, after the stream, make sure you sign up for my trading group down below. That way, you guys can get the best signals in the game. All right. Anyways, we're actually gonna get serious here for a second. Let me actually take this off here. Let me take this off. There we go. All right, there we go. All right, let's actually get serious right now. So Bitcoin, right? Let's go back to our main thing here. Bitcoin actually might be breaking a short-term support line, and we actually might be breaking a couple important moving averages here on the hourly time frame. All the 20 moving average, the 50, and the 100 hourly EMA. We may be breaking those all right now. We may be breaking those all right now. Take that off, the hat for this one. The suit with the hat. It makes me look so professional, doesn't it? Don't you guys want to sign up for my trading group because I have that on? Anyways, we're breaking the 50, the 20, the 50, and the 100 moving averages, exponential moving averages here on the hourly chart. Is that something we have to worry about at the moment? There's a couple different things I'm watching here, okay? I don't like the fact that we got this big spike up on BTC at the moment, right? We got this big spike. Let me get rid of this. Thank you guys for the likes, by the way. I think we got pretty close. We got pretty close to the like target, so I appreciate you guys getting pretty close to that like target. I think we almost got to 300, so I appreciate you guys there. But anyways, hold on one sec. Let me shift over here. Let me shift over there. There we go. So I don't like the fact that Bitcoin came up here, wicked to 45.5, and then came up here and made a little bit of a higher high and came back down, right? Looks a little, at the moment, a little double toppy. I'm not going to say that Bitcoin's going to dump here. We know Bitcoin's going to do whatever it wants to do, when it wants to do it, how it wants to do it, right? If Bitcoin wants to dump, it's going to do it, okay? But that's okay. Now, what we got to watch here is in this next hourly candle, will Bitcoin close below the 100 EMA on the 1 hour time frame? If it does, I could definitely see it at least coming back down to test this previous wick low back down here from February 8th, right? I could definitely see us coming back down here. So that is sitting right at about 42,640. We could be coming back down there if we close the hourly. We're getting a little bit more of a dump here. 43,340. Like I said, it's not confirmed until we get that hourly close. But at the moment, we are coming a little bit down. So what I will say is we don't have any bullish divergence on the hourly time frame. Stock RSI is bottomed out. We could still dump even though the hourly stock RSI is bottomed out. Just to give you guys an example, we did dump back here. When the stock RSI was bottomed out, we still came a little bit lower. So watch out for this. We break this level, I think we could get back down to 42,640. The other reason for that is also if we take our swing high to our swing low to our swing high here, we actually broke the golden pocket zone on our Fibonacci's. Why is that so important? Well, Bitcoin's been holding those golden pocket zones forever, right? It's been holding those golden pocket zones forever. So you're at the 786 Fibonacci. So you're at, both the 100 EMA, okay, and you are at the 786 Fibonacci here for BTC. So will this hold, right? It's looking a little dicey at the moment. Here comes Bitcoin, not in a good way. Here comes Bitcoin. We're not jumping. We're dumping right now. By the way, thank you. Who was it? It was Lewis became a member. Thank you for becoming a channel member, Lewis. I definitely appreciate it. Definitely appreciate it, man. Thanks for joining the team, dude. But that's what we're watching here on the hourly, right? We'll watch this very, very shortly, very closely. But the higher low structure that we had on the shorter term time frames is broken. Let's see what Bitcoin does here. I'm not too worried about the hourly time frame. You guys know I'm not really a trader, but I like to look at it for you guys to see what we could possibly be doing on the shorter term time frames. But that's what I'm seeing at the moment. I know you guys probably want to see what the Bitcoin daily close is. All right, so let's check out the daily close. Make sure you guys keep smacking up that like button, guys. Let's get back on the 1,000 like grind. If you like the stream music coming back, okay, the pregame lobby music, I know a lot of you guys wanted that back. There was a certain reason why I took off the pregame lobby music. It wasn't really good for the algorithm. We're going to try it again, okay? I know a lot of you guys like it, and to be honest, I'd rather add something back that you guys liked than just not having it because, maybe it's not really good for the algorithm. Whatever, man. It is what it is. It is what it is, I would say. So let me know if you guys like that being back. You guys don't like it. Let me know. You guys probably wish I was on time today. The reason why I wasn't on time because I was trying to fix the green screen. It was all kind of jacked up here before the stream, okay? So that's why we were a little bit late, all right? Maybe. You guys know me. You guys know me. You guys have your theories of why I'm always late. You guys always have those theories. All right, let's see. So let's go back to the daily. The daily time frame, guys. We closed at right around, where was it? Right around 43,500. So here's the thing, guys. This is what we've been saying, right? I know everyone wants to get fancy, dancy, wancy, wancy, crancy, crancy, right? Here's the thing. Bitcoin's still below its previous swing lows. Still below 45,400. Still below 46,500. These previous swing lows, until Bitcoin gets back above those, we're still in what I would say is, risky territory, right? Risky territory. I wouldn't put in a long position right at resistance, right? I mean, obviously, you don't put long position right at resistance. Previous support, flipping into resistance, big wick on the top side. Pretty decent rejection at the moment. We've had kind of struggled breaking this the last couple of days. Doesn't mean it can't break it. We know Bitcoin can, do a little dippy-do and then pop right back to the upside, right? Doesn't mean that we can't break it, but will we see a little bit more of a pullback, right? We're coming back down to, let me just double check what these ones are here. we're coming back down to the 50, right? The 50 and the 200. So we got the 50 exponential moving average here on the daily. We want to stay above that. We've looked in the past that every single time Bitcoin has gotten back above that 50-day EMA, Bitcoin's had significant rallies, right? We can go back in the past and look at it. We want to stay above that 50-day moving average. In my opinion, it's not a necessity, but if you look, right, we broke above it here. Bitcoin went on to have a rally of about 50%, right? We broke above it right here. Bitcoin went on to have a rally. I think it was, I don't have it all the way up there, but you guys get the point. Bitcoin went on a rally to another 50%. We want to stay above that. I don't want to see Bitcoin drop below that on a daily close. It's not really close right now. I mean, it's at 42,800. We're sitting at 43,400, so we got a little bit room to work with here. But what I want to see is us stay above that exponential moving average. Maya said the green screen is not the reason. Oh boy. Oh boy. The green screen's not the reason. Oh, jeez. That's great, man. That's great. I got snitched on. I got snitched on. But anyways, like we said, guys, like we said, we want to stay above that 50-day EMA. All right. At the end of the day, we want to stay above that 50-day EMA. So let's do it. All right. Let's do it. Let's not break back below that. And I think we will, right? I'm trying to stay positive here. I think that we will. I like the rally that Bitcoin's having right now. But there's certain things that we have to stay back above, and that's definitely one of them at the moment. What I'll also say on the 4 hour, and where this is kind of wacky is the 4 hour, we just got to close below the 20 on the 4 hour. Why is that so important? Well, that's the first time we had a close below the 20 EMA on the 4 hour ever since down here on February 4th. So we kept back testing it, and we finally dropped below. And you guys know this formation, right? If you guys watch Tino from Market Makers, not Market Makers, sorry. Traders Reality. If you guys watch Tino from Traders Reality, he loves talking about this, where Bitcoin loves to come up, right? You know, get people go in, right? Have a pullback, come up, make a higher high with a massive wick, right? Get retail to FOMO back in, get these leverage longs to FOMO back in, take that liquidity on the wick, and come back down, right? So that's a classic formation there. It's not confirmed yet, right? We got to wait for it, but we've seen this plenty of times in the past for BTC. We can go look at those in the past, but that is something that we have to watch at the moment. It's not confirmed, like we said yet. Let's have a little bit of patience at the moment, but a close above the 20. You know, will we see a move at least back to the 50, which is at like 42,300? Will we see a move back down there? Let's see. Snap it back. Chewy said, how many times have you been... Oh, God, Chewy, man. How many times have you been testing that back? Let's count. I don't know, man. I don't know. I lost count at this point. But I'll tell you right now, it's not the last time. It's not the last time. All right, let's see. Me and like Tino, 44K incoming. Let's see, man. Let's see. We're so you said, we're waiting for a bounce off the 786 Fibonacci on the shorter time frames. If that holds, you know, maybe we come back up. But what we got to hope for is this is just not a bounce off the 786, a move back up to retest, and then a continuation down. That's what we have to watch, all right? That's what we have to watch. Anyways, guys. If you guys are new to the stream, make sure you guys smack that subscribe button. We have a lot of fun on this channel. You know, there's some people who are saying that I should be a little bit more serious, you know, and I probably agree with that at some point. Let me say this, guys. Let me say this. At heart, I am not a trader, okay? So when there's boring times in crypto, I'm going to have fun, okay? I'm not a trader. I don't need to trade. I'm someone who buys the dips and holds, okay? Let me just say that. So, you know, I like to have fun. When the market's going sideways, I have fun. When the market's going down, I have fun. I'm not trying to make these little profits, okay? There's people who say I should be a little bit more serious. I probably should at the end of the day, okay? I probably should be a little bit more serious. And maybe going forward, I will be a little bit more serious, okay? But doesn't mean we're not having fun. We're having fun. That's why we are here. We are having fun. That's what we do, right? That's what we do. Don't listen to those boring, don't be serious. Listen, man, I'm not being serious. I'm not being fully serious, okay? We're not doing that. We're doing. Abner said, don't be serious. I'm George. We're all George. We like fun. I'm going to be fun. I'm obviously going to be fun. You guys know me. I'm not going to all of a sudden, hold on. Guys, I have bad news too. I lost, okay? I lost Jabba, okay? I lost Jabba again. So we might have to find Jabba later. Jordan, you need to be more serious. Your channel is so fun. Why is your channel so fun? You're not making anyone money by having fun. No, you need to trade. You need to do live trades. You need to make a paid trading group. You need to make a paid trading group today. You should charge $99 a month for a paid trading group. Yeah. You've only been trading for a year. Yeah. Listen, man. What I'll say is, I don't want to talk crap. I'm not going to name specific names, but you got these paid trading groups out there, guys. You guys don't join these things. Don't join these things. A lot of these people that are doing these paid trading groups, let me just say, a lot of these guys have been trading for like a year, 2 years. They got into crypto in 2020, and they want to be pro traders. All right, I'm just saying, don't sign up for any of these paid trading groups. I'm telling you guys right now, don't do it. Don't do it. You might get some lucky stuff short term, but I'm telling you right now, anyone who's a successful trader is not going to give up their secret for free. They're just going to keep raking in the profits trading. Why would they give it to you? All right, just saying. I'm going to put that out there. Okay, I'm going to put that out there. I recommend just being a hodler. Okay, just be a hodler. I am George. We're all George. Guys, today we're going to talk about the importance of hodling, okay? And we're going to talk about the importance of not use leverage trading, right? Guys, do not leverage trade. You're just going to get wrecked. You guys just need to hodl, right? Buy the dips, all right? Buy all the dips and just keep hodling, okay? Don't be this guy, okay? Don't be this guy. Don't be this guy, guys.
And I'm here to bring you this cryptocurrency video. Bitcoin has fallen out from this falling wedge, and I have made 100x on my long position over here on Bybit. You guys should go use my Bybit link. Links down in the description. Bybit link, Bybit link, Bybit link, Bybit link, Bybit link, Bybit link, Bybit link.
We know you like Bybit. All right, let's go. Let's go, baby. All right. Anyways, let's continue. Let's continue the charts. I know you guys want the charts. You came here for the charts. All right. But yeah, we're having a little bit of a red day today. Big wick on the top side. I don't love the rejection off the previous swing lows, but I don't think, guys, we need to broaden our horizon. We need to, all right. We need to broaden our horizons. All right. We need to broaden our horizons here. We need to, think long term. Yeah. We need to broaden our horizons, all right? We need to look at the weekly charts. We need to look at the long-term time frames. We need to stop looking. For us hodlers, we need to stop looking at these short-term time frames, man. Yes, the daily. We came up, got rejected so far, right? It's not the end of the world yet. It's only been one red day. Let's take a breath. Let's realize the bigger picture. And we realize that one red day is not going to cause us, okay, to capitulate to the downside, okay? We've had one red day. Let's not all of a sudden flip bearish, okay? I know everyone wants just to flip bearish, right? Don't be, okay? Don't be that guy who flips bearish because one day, all right? I'm just saying. You want to be bearish after breaking previous support? Okay, awesome. But, up until then, let's keep it somewhat bullish. Slow mode. You guys want slow mode? Okay. Why do you guys want slow mode on? I guess the chat's going nuts here. I guess the chat's kind of going nuts. Let me put slow mode on here, guys, real quick. We'll put on, even with subscribers only mode, the chat's going nuts. Holy crap. All right. Let's do, there we go. There we go. All right, guys. Slow mode's on. Sorry, mods. Sorry, mods. You guys getting peppered right now. All right, there we go. Anyways, 43,318. Let's not get super overly bearish just because we're having one day. All right, I firstly want to say that. Now, guys, remember the bigger picture here, okay? Remember the bigger picture here for BTC. Every single time that BTC has broken one of these big downtrend of resistance points, okay, because we slow, it's gone on to have a major run. Just look at all these times, guys. Look at all these times. I don't even need to point them out, all right? Let's go look at all these time frames here, all right? You guys can see this one over here, all right? Look at this one. Broke the downtrend of resistance. Bitcoin went absolutely bonkers, okay? You guys can see it there, all right? Bitcoin went absolutely bonkers. You look at it over here, right? You have this one coming down right here. Boom. Bitcoin went absolutely bonkers to the upside. We have this one here. Downtrend of resistance. Bitcoin went absolutely bonkers to the upside, all right? You have this one here. I mean, this is very simple stuff, guys. I'm not trying to make it super duper, I know everyone wants to make it seem like you need to look at these super, cryptographic things. I know we're talking about crypto, so that's slightly a pun, I guess. We don't need to look at these super, advanced things to see that where Bitcoin should be going here, all right? Downtrend of resistance, move to the upside, all right? We even look over here, man. Downtrend of resistance, Bitcoin broke it to the upside. You don't need to look at these fancy things, all right? Every single time Bitcoin's done this, it's had a significant move to the upside. Let's remember this. Let's zoom out. Let's do some como sa. Let's do some como sa, guys. Como sa. All right, we're good. We're good. We breathing? There we go. All right, let's not get bearish after one day, shall we? I don't think anyone's actually getting bearish. I'm probably being a little bit of a diva. Anyways, on the weekly time frame, we can see right here. I mean, listen. A lot of people want to get bearish too. What I'll say is, yes, you might say, Jordan, you were bearish a couple weeks ago. Absolutely. We broke below the previous low. It made sense to be bearish, okay? Now we broke back above that previous low. It makes sense to be somewhat bullish here until proven otherwise. Bitcoin breaks back below, back below 39,000 again. Okay, I mean, then you're breaking back below the previous low and you got rejected from the previous low before that. So it would make sense to get bearish again. Until then, I have to give this a slight bullish bias here, all right? We're still below, important moving averages here. We're still below the 50-week EMA. We're still below the 20-week EMA, okay? And, we're still below, really, the previous swing lows here, right? And until we broke back above those previous swing lows, on the weekly time frame, it is what it is. Now, what I'll say is there was an important RSI line that we were looking at back in the past. And if we actually look here,
prepare for dump. Mental is getting busy.
prepare for dump. What I'll say here is one thing I am watching here, right? We know we had this previous RSI support line coming up that we were watching since 2018, right? The bear market lows we had up here in the March of 2020 lows, and then we had over here from the summer lows, right? And we know that we were watching that. We hoped back in the day, right, a couple months ago that we would hold that line. Well, we eventually broke it to the downside, and what I'm watching here for is, will Bitcoin actually backtest this as resistance, right? So we broke below it. Is this going to be a quick back test and a continuation down? Is this just going to be the dead cat bounce that all the bears are hoping for? By the way, guys, my nose and my eyes are absolutely killing me. Oh, not killing me. That really hurt. But my nose is super clogged, and my eyes are more runny than a faucet after I just cooked some chicken tikka masala. Okay? Let me tell you that. Very, very runny right now. Very, very runny. But yeah, we'll ignore that. So anyways, will we back test this as resistance? and come back down lower? Will this just be a dead cat bounce? We'll have to wait and see, right? We'll have to wait and see. It's too early to say. I don't think it is, okay? I don't think it is. I'm pretty confident based off, obviously this being a running flat on the weekly time frame, right? Where you get the higher highs and the higher lows on the longer term time frames and eventually a continuation up. I'm still under the assumption that you guys know I'm long-term bullish on Bitcoin. Whether Bitcoin maybe comes back down again, does double bottom and continues up, I'm bullish on Bitcoin. And I do think that we will see, I'm not going to make any bets, okay? I'm not going to make any bets, but I at least think that we'll see higher prices within the next couple weeks, okay? I do. I think we'll see higher prices in the next couple weeks, whether we have a week of a pullback or 2 weeks of a pullback or maybe in 3 weeks of a pullback. At some point, I do think we're going back up to higher prices, right? 50K, maybe even 60K, right? There's a certain level that we have been watching, right, which is the 56K level, which is the 618 retrace on the daily. You guys know this one. Let's actually go check this one out real quick. And this is the fractal we've been watching. This is the blockchain backer fractal. You guys know we've been watching this, okay? Will this continue to play out? Look how perfectly this is playing out, guys. I don't mean to sound like, this, I don't know, man. I don't mean to sound like this guy, who was so confident in his prediction, right? I don't mean to sound like this guy. Hold on. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? There he is. I don't mean to sound like this guy.
The biggest crypto channel on the interwebs. Now, guys, my sources continue to tell me that we will top out within 2 weeks of September 23rd. I repeat, within 2 weeks of September 23rd. I still stand by this prediction, and I am not going to waver from this prediction. We will see Bitcoin top out within 2 weeks of September 23rd. Okay? And then we will see.
Whoa! He's gone. Okay, it just ended randomly. Okay. Anyways, if this was to continue to play out, okay, we would expect a retrace to the 618 retracement, okay, which is all the way up at 56K. Right now, we're sitting right here. What does the fractal show us? A fractal shows us a rejection of this point and a move back down to possibly the $37,000 level, right? The $37,000 level. So, will we get a quick pullback before a continuation up? That's certainly possible, right? We're at major resistance. I know everyone likes to meme, Jordan always says this bearish divergence, bullish divergence. Listen, that stuff works. And there is, right, at least there was, let me actually double check here. There was bearish divergence on the 4 hour. Now you had certain influencers, okay? Once again, I'm not going to name names. I'm not throwing shade, but when people throw shade at me, listen, you guys know me. I'm going to throw shade right back. You had certain influencers saying, oh, Bitcoin, we're going straight to 47K. We're going straight to 48K, all right? Well, we had bearish divergence, right? So if you want to mock the divergences, go ahead, man. But we had higher highs and we had lower highs. What do you know? Woo! It's like that stuff works, all right? So we had bearish divergence on the 4 hour time frame. We're moving back down. Like we said, we already talked about the short-term time frames. But I wanted to wait and tell you guys about this before we looked at the fractal, okay? Before we looked at the fractal. So we had bearish divergence on the 4 hour time frame. We also had our fractal showing a move back down from this point, and we're also at a huge resistance level, which we already looked at on the daily time frame, which was the previous swing lows. Okay, so if there was ever a time for Bitcoin to pull back, this would be it. Okay, I'm not going to say it is because I don't predict on my channel. I show you guys what I see. I don't predict. I'm not a trader. Okay, I know where Bitcoin goes in the long term. It goes up and to the right. That's all I care about. I don't care about short-term moves. I really don't. I really, really, really don't care about short-term moves. Okay, but from what I'm seeing, that is the level. Okay, that is the level to watch. It's dumping, guys. It's dumping. It's dumping. Let's see. Tell us their names. I'm not naming names. I'm not naming names. You guys will have to know. You guys will have to know. We killed this. We guys, me and who I'm talking about, we killed our beef. Okay, we killed our beef today. Okay, we're actually good friends now. We're both from we're both from Boston. We're good friends now. Okay. I'm just playing around. He threw some shade at me today. I'm throwing shade a little bit back. That's what I do. I don't let people throw shade, and I come back with the haymakers. We're cool now. Okay. I actually really like the guy. He's like one of the only streams I can actually watch. And that's why I was watching it today. I think he's a cool guy, man. He's a cool guy, and he's actually entertaining. Unlike a lot of these people who sit there and go, so, Bitcoin looks like it could go down on the 1 hour time frame, but it also could go up. Oh, yeah. Look at the RSI. It is so overbought right now. Yeah. The RSI is so overbought. I think the price is going to go down. And, yeah, man, like, I really think it is. Make sure you guys, I know it was like a 2-minute video, but make sure you guys sign up for my Bybit link right down below. You guys can get a $4,100 bonus if you guys sign up. Yeah, I mean, just going back to Bitcoin real quick, it is super, super bullish. All right, bye. Right? We're not going to do that, man. We're not going to do that. We have positive energy. We have good vibes. We have good energy. That's what we do, okay? That's what we do here. We're not doing that crap. Anyways. Holy moly. Look at that. Look at that bull hat. You guys, all right, let me know in the chat. Are you guys bullish or bearish on the hat? Let me see. Bullish or bearish. And no pun intended. I know it's a bull hat. I don't mean to sound punny. Bullish or bearish on the hat. Let's see. Like I said, it's not supposed to be a pun. I mean, you you guys know what I mean. Let's see. The DJ said, so, so many ums. Listen, I say a lot too. It's the way some people talk. I know I say a lot. I say I say Who says Only I say Let me tell you. All right, Bitcoin's coming back down to test the 50 on the 4 hour time frame. Will that hold here, right? Will the 50 EMA on the 4 hour hold? Looks like we're coming back down to test it right now. Let's see if that holds. If that breaks, we could see a little bit more continuation to the downside here. Also on the hourly time frame, if we actually look here, we did break that 786 Fibonacci. So what we want to see here, if we want to continue up from this level, is Bitcoin come back up, right? Close above, okay? Close above the 786 Fibonacci, okay? The 786 Fibonacci level on the hourly time frame. If we don't, well, probably coming back down to test these lows. If not, probably the 200 1 hour EMA. There he is, Crypto Lifa. There he is. I knew he was gonna be in here, baby. What's going on, man? What is going on, dude? No, seriously, guys. I didn't want to name names, but since he came in here, make sure you guys go check out Crypto Lifer. I actually want to have him on the show because he's actually a cool guy, and we kind of have this. We kind of have a similar. Not a similar style, but he also brings really good energy to his shows and really good vibes to his shows. So make sure you guys go check out Crypto Lifer. He actually streams at 10 a.m. every morning on Monday to Friday, and I'm not sure when on the weekends, but 10 a.m. Monday to Friday. So go check out Crypto Lifer if you guys want to check him out. He's a cool guy, and if you guys want to watch someone in the morning, he's cool. He's cool, man. I want to Crypto Lifer. I want to have you on the show, man. I want to start having start having more people on the show. Honestly, I just need to reach out to people, but it's hard to reach out to certain people in the crypto space, man. It really is, because I get so many things on Twitter and stuff. All right, let's see what else we're doing. That's crazy, dude. That's crazy, man. Bromance. Listen, we're both mass holes, okay? He's from Mass, I'm from Mass. We both like to call people out. You guys know I call out Carl and all this stuff all the time. If someone calls me, I'm gonna call him out too. But yeah, Crypto Lifer. Go check him out. All right, seriously, he's a cool guy. Anyways, let's go see. He does wear a suit, by the way. He looks very, very professional in this suit. Might have to disagree a little bit. But I like sexy in suits, but I don't wear suits on stream because I don't care about looking professional. All right. Anyways, let's move on. So Well, I mean, we've talked about a lot of the stuff. I mean, the 3-day MACD flipping bullish, we already know this, right? This has led to a significant rally every single time. This is more long-term time frame stuff. We talked about the short-term time frame stuff. We know what to expect. We have bearish divergence on the 4-hour. We're moving down, okay? We're at significant resistance. We talk about all this stuff in the short-term time frames, but this is more long-term stuff, right? Zoom out, right? Zoom out. Look at, just... Stop caring about these 1 hours and 4 hours, man. Zoom out and look what's going on in the long term, all right? The price will go up, okay? The price will go up, but you got to have patience. You got to have patience, okay? Got to have patience. Let me actually go back over here. Whoa!
It seems like playing with retailers.
Whoa! Okay. Didn't mean to press that button, but okay. Here we go. Bitcoin gonna go up. Bitcoin gonna go up. Guys, at the end of the day, just like someone in the chat, okay? Bitcoin gonna go up. Just like I scroll up, guys. Bitcoin is gonna go up. Gonna go up. That's my favorite, man. Bitcoin gonna go up. That never gets old, man. Shout out to George, dude. Shout out to George. That gets me every time. Every time I hear George say it, I'm like, dude, why are you saying gongo? Just say Bitcoin is going to go. Why are you saying gongo? Why are you saying gongo? Just say it. Going to go up. If any of you guys know George, tell him. Say going to go up. Stop saying gongo. Please. Please. Oh, man. All right. Anyways. Please, someone tell him, man. Someone tell him. DJ, I know you know George, right? You're one of his mods. Can you tell him? Can you tell him for me? All right, in a nice way. Thank you. Anyways, total market cap, right? Real quick on total market cap, and this is another reason why, we're at a level where it's like, all right, dude, we're at a level where, once again, if we were to have a pullback, it makes sense to do it. But listen, guys, just because we have a pullback, Matisse said, brah. Thanks for the super tap, Matisse. He said, brah. I got you on that, man. There you go.
Bruh.
And then we had Mason who said, please apply for this next season of 90 Day Fiancé. Me? I can, unfortunately. That would be great, though. That would be great. I would definitely not complain about being on that show. Actually, I probably would. At the end of the day, those kind of shows suck. Because real quick, those kind of shows suck because if you go on those shows, right, and you have like 20 chicks coming after you, here's the thing. At the end of the show, you're probably gonna like 2 of them, and then at the end of the show, you gotta friggin' destroy one of them. At the end of the day, that doesn't sound too fun to me. It doesn't sound too fun at all. You have to like destroy one chick, and then the next day you get married to the other chick. That doesn't sit right. I don't know. That goes kind of. I have some morals, okay? That goes against some of my morals there, so I can't do that. I can't do that. Not gonna say I wouldn't like going on the show. All right, maybe the first few episodes would be fun when you don't care about any of them. All right. Anyways, let's go to the total market cap, and this is like we said. This is another reason why we could get rejected here, right? We know we have this downtrend of resistance. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We also had the 200-day EMA, right? The 200-day EMA on the total market cap also coming right there. And where exactly did we wick? We wicked right to the 200-day EMA, and we also got stopped right at this downtrend of resistance. So another big resistance level, man. But here's the thing. Here's the thing about the total market cap, how this could get pretty bullish, right? This could turn into... Papa Bear said, I will destroy them both. Savage, man. Absolutely savage. Here's how this could turn bullish, guys. All right? even if we do get some type of pullback, I'm not even convinced that we are, right? You never know what Bitcoin. We saw this earlier today where Bitcoin went and then we pumped to the upside, right? We saw this earlier. You know, let's just say that total does come back down and test the 50, or actually the 20. Let's say if we come back down and test the 20-day, right, which is the red line here. And then, right, we can bounce from there. That would be a nice little pullback. It's nothing crazy at this point when we're talking about, you know, maybe a 3-4% pullback from where we are now, right? And then hopefully, I mean, this is a little bit of hopium, so keep this in mind. This is slight hopium, okay? This is very, very slight hopium. But here's the thing. Here's the thing. We round out here on the 50-day, right? We come back up. Then what could this turn into, right? And this could actually turn into a very, very bullish pattern if we come back down and test the 50-day. And I actually think it could be healthy here because you could reset a little bit of the daily RSI for both Bitcoin, altcoins, and total, and then continue back up to the upside, right? So, you know, this could turn into a little bit of a inverse head and shoulders. If we're going to be a little bit dubious here, if we want to get a little bit dubious, this could turn into a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders, okay? But let's just keep in mind that we need to obviously hold the $1.85 trillion mark for this to work out. So if we take swing high to swing low, swing low to swing high. I always say swing high to swing low when I mean to say swing low to swing high. I don't know why I do that. I really, really don't. I really, really don't. But if we actually were to bring this to the upside and actually pinpoint where this would bring us, this would put us somewhere around 2.75 trillion. Listen, this is more of a long-term target. This is not something that's going to happen overnight, and it's also not confirmed yet. We need to do many, many things to confirm this, but that could be a possible scenario where this turns into something bullish, okay? So keep that in mind. Slight pullbacks are always healthy in the market. We don't want to see a major pullback. We just want to see slight pullbacks, right? Slight work. Who's saying? Is that a song, Slight Work? Yeah, I think it is. Those are back from my my hoodlum days. Who here had hoodlum days? Let me know in the chat if you guys ever had a hoodlum day back in the day. I shouldn't say hoodlum. I should say, you know, you try to be cooler than you actually are. Let me know in the chat. I did. So let's see. You guys said bullish or bearish on the hat. 58% said bullish on the hat. Thank you guys. I am bullish on the bull hat too. No pun intended. All right. So Maya, are you bullish on the hat? Okay, she said no. Yeah, we might have to figure this out, guys. She said no. All right, so the hoodium days. Arcane said yeah. MRI said yeah. Bootney said I'm still a hoodlum. I still am. I did. I was cool though. I want to say I was cool. Okay, I want to say I was cool, but yeah, it is what it is. So, I mean, you guys know.
Investing platforms which you can use in the UK at the moment.
She's not actually in the room. Nice try. You just want to see her. You just want to see her, the new green Dito. That's what you're trying to do. I know you're trying to do here. Wish she had Trump back. I'm always cooler than I thought I was. Nice, man. Hey, listen, I'm not very cool. I'm not very cool. Like, you guys, like, listen to me every day. I don't think I'm that entertaining to listen to, but apparently you guys think I am. Maybe some of you guys don't. Maybe you guys just watch to hate on me or whatever, but that's cool. I like the haters. I like when people press the dislike button. It's great for the channel. So as always, you want to hit that dislike button, go ahead. But also hit up that like button, guys. We know we don't shill. We don't shill. This is the only stream, and I'm not... I don't mean to be negative about this. We're the only stream that does not shill anything until the end, okay? I might do a little shilling at the end. But during the stream, during my videos, I make it a proponent of this stream to be the only channel that does not shill anything during the show, okay? So smack up that like button for me. I appreciate it. That's how you guys can help me out, okay? Seriously, that's how you guys can help me out. Maya's an NFT. All right, 2 Ethereum. We'll make it happen. 2 Ethereum. We'll make it happen. Not 1, 2. It's only worth 2. Till the end. Travis said till the end. All right. Anyways, we can look at some altcoins. If you guys want to look at any altcoins, let me know in the chat. We'll look at some altcoins. Here's the thing, guys. If you guys want to look at altcoins, I'll be more serious today about looking at altcoins. Okay, I'll be more serious. People want me more serious. Okay, I'll be more serious. I'll show you guys my skills. If you really want to see them, we'll go back to the old Jordan days. If you really want to see them, okay. I'm just being annoying right now. I'm just being annoying. I'm being a little bit of a diva, maybe. All right, let's see. Da Vinci said pump and dump. Pump and dump. I think everyone said pump and dump. I have a funny story about Da Vinci, actually. That I probably shouldn't. I have a funny story about Da Vinci. If you guys want to hear the Da Vinci story at the end of the stream today, let me know. I have a funny story about Da Vinci. I know something about Da Vinci that would be pretty funny. Let me know in the chat if you want to hear the Da Vinci story. Okay, let me know in the chat. All right, let's see. Carolina said, "What is the best investing platforms you can use in the UK?" In the UK, I don't live in the UK, so I don't know 100% what you can use. Binance is good. Qcoin is good. I know a lot of people hate on Coinbase. I don't think Coinbase is that bad. Listen, I don't know anything. I don't really know what you can use in the UK, right? But I assume you could use those. I don't know the rules or regulations in the UK. Okay, that's what I'll say. As far as an investing platform, okay. As far as an investing platform, I have no idea. Nope. Yes. Da Vinci. Da Vinci. Oh, man. Oh, the nose, guys. The nose and the eyes. The nose and the eyes are killing me. Not killing me. It's just annoying, but they water, man. That's what was happening this morning. My nose was so stuffy this morning, and my voice was like not like perfect, so I didn't come on the stream because I wanted to rest it. I wanted to rest it just for you guys. And tomorrow morning it's gonna be bad too. I can already tell. I can already tell. Tammy, member for 7 months, said smash those likes. I appreciate you, Tammy. I do appreciate you. All right, Bitcoin's coming down. 42.7. Here we go, guys. RIP. RIP Bitcoin. Here we go, guys. We're testing the $42,600 level on the 4 hour. Oh, on the daily. The daily, we're breaking the 50. Whoops. Daily, we're breaking the 50. So, yeah. Let's watch this. Obviously, we got to see where we close tonight. But at the moment, we are breaking the 50. It's not confirmed until the close, though. Just keep that in mind. Just keep that in mind here. Let's actually take a longer term Fib. Let's actually take our 4 hour Fibonacci. Let's actually take from this swing low to our high here. So break the 236. We broke the 236. We're at the 382. So 382 is that next level. 42,170. Will we come back down to test 42,170? We're at 42,800. I guess that wouldn't be terribly out of the realm. Now, we do have a little bit of support here on our previous wick. You can actually look at it on the 1 hour. We do have support here on our previous low here. Let's see if this holds short term. I mean, it should be a short term bounce, which again, but let's see if it holds for good, right? For good. Paul said this music, it's great music, man. How could you not like violin? It's so peaceful, man. Even during a dump, I think it's peaceful. Woo! Man, I'm crying, guys. I'm crying because you guys said you didn't like my hat. All right. Trying to read the chat, but I'm crying here. Let's see. Holy crap, I never knew it was so hard to read a chat when you're crying. Let's see. I guess this is probably what it'll be like when Bitcoin hits 100K one day. Jordan got soft. Let's see. Optical is looking right. Don't get me started with optical alert, man.
Rant alert.
Lipgy, I got you on AXS. Lipgy, I got you on AXS. 100%. Thank you for the super chat. We'll look at AXS. And T, I got you on VVS Finance and Crow. New all-time high incoming. At some point, but I do think it's coming at some point. When? It's anyone's guess. It's anyone's guess. I don't know, right? Crypto Lifer doesn't know, all right? Savvy doesn't know. George doesn't know. Bitboy doesn't know. Ben Cowan doesn't know. Crypto doesn't know. Carl doesn't know. Doodoo doesn't know. Shushu doesn't know. Cuckoo doesn't know. Woohoo doesn't know. Doodoo doesn't know, okay? No one knows. But at some point, yes. At some point. All right, I got you on both of those. What was I saying before? Holy crap. Dude, I have no idea what I was saying before. That's bad. That's really, really bad. All right. Let's go look at some altcoins. So T said VVS Finance. Okay, let's do VVS for TT. TT, do you love me? Clearly you do. I can see that you love me. I can see that you love me. Because you sent me that chat. And you're watching the stream. Is this all we got? Is this the only chart we got for VVS? This is it? Well, there's not much I can do with this. TT, there's not much I can do with this. To be honest. All right, there's not much. What I can say is from my good friend Tino, we're not really friends. Maybe one day we can be friends. But my good friend Tino over at Traders Reality, which is a classic one, you know, move up, move back down, move up, slightly higher high, trap the retail in, and then a dump back down. It's really all I could say on the hourly time frame. I don't really have too much data to say here, but I won't be surprised if this comes lower, which it looks like it is, right? It looks like it is. So don't be surprised if it does. I'm not going to do any more TA on this because there's really not much I can do, right? I mean, we're right at the 618. This is the 786, which is the previous lows. It's really the 786 previous lows and the swing lows, which you're looking at. I mean, that's really it. Other than that, it's did a ding, 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 right? I mean, you got nothing else to really look at there at the moment. Up, then down, up, then down. All right. What else do we got? We got Crow. Put on the British accent. Oh, you guys want the British accent, girl? All right. Do you guys want the English accent, or I should say the U.S. accent chick, or the English accent chick? I can also do other accents too. I can do an Indian accent. I can do an African accent. I can do a Spanish accent. I can do a Chinese accent. I can do a Russian accent. I can do really any accent. Let me know. I can do any accent you want. Let me know. So Crow, let's actually go to Crow on the 4 hour real quick. So Crow. Crow looks like it's about to break the 20. You guys can see it's held the 20 EMA pretty nicely here on the 4 hour on the way up, right? Back test. Looks like it might be breaking right now. So let's actually zoom out and see what we're looking at here. So we know we broke the downtrend of resistance. We never came back down to back test it. And we know we've been saying for total, we know we've been saying for Bitcoin, this would make sense, okay? This would make sense at a Chinese. I can do Chinese. All right. I'm gonna stop. This is gonna get bad. I like beef teriyaki. All right. Anyways, I meant for the super chat chick. The super chat chick. That's who I meant, not me. But we know Crow never came back down to test this downtrend of resistance. So we know what total market cap. We know what Bitcoin. We were talking about how this would make sense for a time where we could get a pullback potentially. Will this be a time where we get a pullback? Right? Certainly could be. Right? Certainly could be. You're talking about just like all these alts, which a lot of people don't like to mention. Bearish divergence on the 4 hour. Okay. You have lower highs and you have higher highs on the price action, lower highs on the RSI. Bearish divergence, right? You're coming back down. And this is, what I'll say about bearish divergence is you know, for altcoins at least. Not, I mean, at least for short term, they're usually gonna play out a little bit. The thing is, you got to watch these levels here, right? The 20 breaks. I mean, like I said, you're probably gonna come back down to the 50, which is also, I mean, it makes a lot of sense. Look where the 50 moving average is. The 50 moving average happens to be sitting right at the previous swing lows. Previous swing lows, bada bing, bada boom, 47.5, right? 47.5. So they're both sitting right at that level right there. So I would say if that breaks, it's good potential of you coming back down to 47.6, which is right there. Makes a lot of sense based off the charts there. What else do I want to say here? Let's actually go to the daily. Not really much to say in the daily. I mean, listen, a lot of these alts, you're coming up to the back test the previous swing lows. Unless you can get above those previous swing lows, there's nothing to talk about alts. We've been saying this. Previous swing low, came up, back tested it, big wick above, rejection wick, right? Big rejection wick. Let's see if we have that pullback now, right? It's certainly looking like we could get a potential pullback here. That's just what it's looking like at the moment for both Bitcoin and altcoins. Hope I'm wrong. I hope it goes up. And this is the thing about my channel. If I'm bearish, I hope I'm wrong. Because here's what you got to know about my channel. I'm not a trader, right? I'm not invested in what I'm saying, okay? I'm just saying what the charts are telling me. I want the price to go up always. So even if I'm bearish, this is for the new people out there. Even if I'm talking about bearish price action, or what I think is bearish price action, I still want the price to go up. I don't give a crap if I'm right, okay? I don't give a flying crap if I'm right. Because I'm not a leader of anyone. I'm a leader of myself and of Bitcoin. Going up and to the right. Up and to the right. That is it. That is it. Bank of Canada, here you go.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
Boom! There we go. Mob said, used to back and forth to California when I was broke. Back and forth to California. Mob rule. That was the most random thing I've ever seen in the chat. Why were you going back and forth to California? Okay. Lewis said, yeah, get him, Jordan. We always get him here. We always get him. That's what we do. Jordan loves big fat pickles. Yo. That was too good. That was too good. Oh, I'm going to do it again. Jordan loves big fat pickles. So dumb, man. So dumb. I find the dumbest things funny. I don't know why I find the dumbest things funny. I really do. I really do. I don't know why. Maybe I just have a good sense of humor. Who knows? Let's see. Up and to the right. Up and to the right. I'm happy and clappy. Oh, man. All right. Moving on here. Moving on. We had LipG Act for AXS. Thank you again, LipG. I appreciate that. What was it? Axie Infinity. AXX. AXS. I can't say AXS. Try to say AXS fast. 3 times fast. AXS. AXS. Short ones too. Do you like pickles? All right, Axie Infinity. Let's go to the 4 hour. Actually, let's start on the daily on Axie because I want to get my little lines going here. You know I love lines. I love lines, guys. Let me tell you. And no, I'm not talking what you think you're talking about. Okay, I'm not talking about the lines. I already know what you guys are gonna say. Jordan likes doing lines. I already know what you're gonna say. But I'm not talking about those lines. I like drawing lines, okay? I'm not a very good artist. I actually suck at drawing. I suck at painting. But I like drawing lines on the charts, okay? But if we're looking at this for Axie, right? We know we broke, and this is actually a good setup for Axie. It could potentially, I mean, as long as Bitcoin doesn't like absolutely crap the bed, right? If our fractal doesn't play out, or if the blockchain backer fractal doesn't play out, I should say, actually should be fine. This just looks like a back test, right? Look at this. Our downtrend of resistance, it just looks like in the daily you're coming back down to back test that. And look at actually where the 20 moving average, right? The 20-day moving average is also sitting right there where you bounced, right? So will this continue to act as support in the short term? I don't mind the daily chart, okay? The problem is, right, if Bitcoin dumps, this probably breaks through. So let's actually zoom in a little bit. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame, for example. I would have liked to see some bullish divergence off this bounce. You don't have it. You actually broke both the 50. They broke both the 200 and the 20-day, 24-hour moving averages. So you broke both of those. Came back down a wick to the actually the 50. Came back down a wick to the 50 moving average there. So a lot of things kind of right at this level here, right? Talking about the daily, talking about the 4-hour. A lot of things right here. So this is the level to watch. Obviously, it's the previous swing low as well. A lot at this swing low here, right? A lot right here. So let's continue to watch this. But like we said, if Bitcoin poops, Axie could definitely, shard a little bit too, as we would say. Axie could definitely have a little bit of a shard as well. Okay. What we would hope for is, even if Axie did have to come a little bit lower, we would hope for is this turns into some type of bull flag here and has a continuation to the upside. That would be the bullish scenario, okay? And I can foreshadow something like this playing out, where Axie maybe comes a little bit lower, wicks below, closed above, and kind of maybe bounces back up here and forms some type of bull flag to the upside for the long term, right? I mean, this is may not something that happens tomorrow or anything, but we only have 2 touches on both sides. Let's see if this plays out first of all. But move on that would put you up at $99. Obviously, foreshadowing a little bit. We don't know if it's actually going to happen, but let's wait and see, right? Let's wait and see. First, what it comes down to right now, you're right at huge support. So let's watch that very, very carefully. Very, very carefully. All right, 43K. So Bitcoin so far is bouncing pretty nicely off the previous swing low. So I don't mind what I see. I know there's a lot going on here. Let me actually just get rid of this. Make it a little bit easier to see. There we go. So bounced off the previous swing low here. I don't mind what I'm seeing whatsoever here on the hourly for BTC. Let's see. Super Bowl dumping coming. Yeah, man, we talked about that. A lot of people are getting hyped for the Super Bowl. Guys, just be careful. All right? Just be careful with the Super Bowl. Here's what I'll say about the Super Bowl, guys.
Rant alert. Rant alert.
A lot of you guys remember what happened on El Salvador Day. A lot of you guys remember what happened on Saturday Night Live Dogecoin Day. Okay? You get all this hype going into an event, okay? And then you just see a massive sell-off right at the event. So just be careful. If you're looking at the Super Bowl and going, I'm going to put 100x long, I'm going to put all my money because crypto ads in the Super Bowl, which is already getting hyped. It's already way overhyped as it is. It's not really that big of a deal, right? People aren't going to see a crypto ad and go, oh, I'm going to buy Bitcoin. Oh. It's already so. Let's be honest. All right, people aren't gonna look at it and go, oh, crypto.com. Oh, I want to buy Bitcoin now. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is amazing. My life has changed. Oh, I'm gonna put all my life savings into Bitcoin. This is amazing. Mom, we have to invest all our money in the Bitcoin. The Super Bowl ads. Let's be honest, guys. It's not that big of a deal. It's really not that big of a deal. No one gives a crap. No one that's not already in crypto gives a flying F, okay, about crypto being in the damn Super Bowl. No one knows, dude. No one cares about that. I'll tell you right now, no one cares. If anything, it's going to be a nothing burger, or it's going to be a dump, right? It's not. You're not going to pump because of the Super Bowl. I'll tell you that right now. I'll tell you that right now. Super Bowl USA, yeah. Saturday night. How did Saturday Night Live work out for Doge? Tell me. I know you guys are getting offended right now. It's always the bulls who get offended, guys. Do you see my hat? Okay. Do you see my hat?
Rant alert.
Do you see my hat? I am a bull, okay? It's always the bulls who get offended at stuff like this. Do you remember Dogecoin on Saturday Night Live, okay? Just because, oh, Super Bowl US, no, it doesn't mean it's gonna go up. Stop being brainwashed by all these influencers on Twitter, okay? All saying, crypto Super Bowl ads, woo! Crypto Super Bowl ads, woo! Stop listening to these freaking guys on Twitter, man. Stop listening to these freaking guys on Twitter, man. You gotta stop doing it. Woo! Woo! Super Bowl ads! You need to stop doing it. You really do. You really do. I'm getting passionate because I don't want you guys to get wrecked going in some 100x long, right? During the Super Bowl, man. You gotta you gotta chill, man. You gotta chill. Daniel said my ears are bleeding. Good. I want it to get baked in you. I want this to get baked in you, man. All right, we'll go back to regular screen here. 43,600 while advertising it. Oh, man. We're having a good time tonight. We are having a good time tonight. What's going on, Lifer, man? Thanks for being here, dude. Thanks for being in here, man. Lifer, hit me up if you want to be on my show. Hit me up on Twitter. I want to get you on here ASAP, man. I want to get you on here ASAP. Seriously, man. You know why? Because you're not boring like all these other dinky dinks. I'm not gonna name names, but all these guys are so boring, man. They're so boring, dude. Like, how can you be so boring? Listen, it is what it is. It is what it is. I'm gonna move on here. Tornado said, "Look at sand." All right, let's look at sand. Let me grab some from the ground real quick. Okay, let's look at this. Let's look at this speck of sand, man. Here we go. Here we go. Let's look at this speck of sand. Here we go, man. All right, this one's really sandy. Looks a little salty too. I'm just kidding. All right, let's go look at sand. Let's go look at sand. In all seriousness, like you said, guys, I gotta be a little bit more serious. I gotta be a little bit more serious, man. All right, you guys know I'm a little bit. I should be more serious than I am sometimes. I really should. I know you guys watch me because I'm not serious, but a lot of people are like, all right, Jordan, you should be more serious. Like, you know, you probably get more subscribers if you were serious, which is facts. I definitely would. I know that. But I wouldn't have as much fun. And I wouldn't want to come on here every day if I wasn't having fun. It's just, I can't do it, man. I can't sit up here and just talk about TA 20, like, for 2-3 hours. It's just not me. I can't do it. It's boring as heck. Okay? It's absolutely boring. And it really, a lot of it's semi-meaningless too. So sand, here, let's look at the 4 hour for sand. Let's start on the 4 hour. So actually, I like to start on the daily. I like to start top down and make my way there. So we know sand, short term, long term. I don't really call it daily, the long term, but you broke the downtrend resistance of the daily. Sand actually looks a lot better than other things, right? You're still above the 50. You're still above the 20 moving averages. Okay, 50 moving averages, 20 moving averages. Okay, so that's kind of what we're looking at right now. As long as we hold back above those, right, we're doing pretty good, right? We're doing pretty good here in the short term. Now, what I like about sand, what other, I guess I shouldn't say you really did it yet because it's really a big red box of previous support, right? Right here, right? Drew said aliens. Aliens, man. Aliens. What I'll say here about sand, right? Previous swing lows. You didn't quite break that full barrier, right? You still got rejected here, right? So I don't want to get too excited here for sand, but once again, this sets up the scenario for a lot of altcoins where you get this little pullback, right? You get this little pullback. We'll look at targets on the potential pullback, and you come back up. You could be setting yourself up for a nice inverse head and shoulders, right? Reversal, all right? It's setting up like that. I'm not going to say it's going to play out like that, but it's setting up for that. Let's actually look at some of our possible reversal points here in the short term. Let's see what we're looking at here. So let's take swing low to swing high, and let's look at some possible reversal points here on the 4 hour. Oh my gosh. Holy moly. Someone just ran out of the room, came back in here with spray. You know what that means. Okay. I don't know what to say. I'm going to move on. Anyways. So swing low to swing high. All right. So far, we retraced to the 382. So now what we wanted to is we look at some of our 4 hour moving averages. We're bouncing nicely off the 50 moving average as we speak. Let's see if that holds. It's also the 382 Fibonacci level. All right. A lot of this is going to go with Bitcoin, but let's take for sand for what it is. Let's take sand for what it is at the moment. Once again, bearish divergence at the top. I mean, it was there. It was there the whole time. Bada bing, bada boom. Higher highs, lower highs. You know, it is what it is. It was there. So that played out to the downside. And you're sitting above the 50, sitting at the 382. You're trying to get back up. I mean, we could zoom in a little bit more to look even more skeptical here. Let's see what you're looking at here in the short term. Man. So far, rejection up. So far, a rejection up. I don't like to go too far into it, lower than the 4 hour. The 4 hour is the sweet spot for me. I love the 4 hour time frame. Let me know in the chat what your favorite time frame to look at charts is. Is it the hourly, the daily, the 4 hour, the weekly, the monthly? What's your favorite time frame to look at the charts? All right, let me know. Nasty. Sharp. Did you sharp? Oh, nope, no sharts. No sharts, guys. We're bullish on no sharts here. But yeah, I mean, ultimately, I would say it's in the same position as Bitcoin, right? It's testing its previous swing lows. If the swing low breaks, that's the scenario where I could see at least a 0.5 retrace, because the 0.5 retrace is right at previous swing highs. Funny enough, right? Right at the previous swing highs at 416. Watch for this. 382 breaks, 416 is most likely coming here, at least in the short term. And which would be fine, right? I mean, that could actually just be, even if you go a little bit lower to the 0.5, could actually just be a quick back test before continuation up. You usually always want to see back tests after you break out. I know we haven't really seen that for Bitcoin in the past, but you usually want to see that. Letting rip like a black box in a Civic. Keep smacking up those like guys. I have no idea how many likes we have today, but let's smack up the likes. Let's hit 1,000 likes on today's stream, right? 1,000 likes. We got to get back on the likes grind, guys. I've been soft shilling it, okay? The market was down for a little bit. I've been soft shilling it. Market's recovering a little bit. Let's get back to the like grind. 1,000 likes. Let's do it, baby. Let's friggin' do it. Oh, man. My nose is so stuffy. Can you guys hear my stuffy nose? All right, what do you guys say about your favorite time frames? 69 minutes, said Cody. Okay, Cody. I see you. 2 hour, 1 hour, 1 day. 5 minute. Robert said 5 minute. 30 seconds. Drunk Bear said the decade lead. Lewis said while you sleep. Oh, boy. You guys have some interesting answers there. Very, very interesting answers. So we're crashing again? Why are we saying we're crashing, guys? All right, we got to do another rant alert here.
Rant alert.
Why are we saying that we're crashing, guys? All you bears sound like DJ Khaled, guys. Every single time we dump, guys. All you bears sound like DJ Khaled every single time. Okay? Another one. Another one. Bitcoin's dumping again. Another one. Another one. DJ Khaled, we going to 10K. Another one. You bears are absolutely crazy, man. It's like you don't even zoom out and see what Bitcoin does over the long term. It's like, dude, crashing. Do you understand what the definition of crashing is? Do you understand what the definition of crashing is? This is not a crash. This is the hourly time frame. Let's go to the daily real quick. Holy moly, it's a crash. Look at this crash. Look at this. Isn't this crash crazy? You guys think this crash is crazy right here? Holy crash, man. Woo! Woo! Look at this giant. Look at this wick being formed in the daily time frame right now. This is a crash if I've ever seen one before. What are we going to do? We all got to panic sell now. Guys, we got to panic sell. Let's panic sell.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
Let's go. Let's all panic sell, guys. It's over. It's over. It's time to buy a safe moon.
Come get some safe moon hat.
I actually sound pretty good in that one. All right. Let's see. Clint said buy, and never stop. I agree, Clint. And that's why we've been stacking SHIB, man. That's why me and Clib have been smacking, and buying that Shibanichi. Okay? All the Shibanichi. All right. Let's look at some more alts. Theta. I know Theta was going absolutely nuts. So Theta's coming up on the big downtrend of resistance buys. Theta broke the 20. Theta broke the 50-day. Big stuff on Theta. We are sitting right at a major point. If Theta breaks this level, Theta's going to do some moves. Theta is going to do some moves. I know Theta hasn't been performing that well lately. Theta's been performing like absolute dog crap. Okay? But if Theta can break this downtrend of resistance, we're going to see a big move on Theta. All right? If we just look at where both the 200-day moving average is, right? It sits at 524, and also the previous swing daily close highs at 553. Somewhere in that range, I could see Theta having to move back up to, right? In the scenario where we do get a break, right? Somewhere in this general range right here is a range I'm looking at if Theta breaks out. Could be, I mean, like I said, could be a pretty big move. You're sitting right there, man. You're sitting right there. Obviously, Theta was up like 18% today. I don't know how many people actually own Theta. I never see anyone actually talking about Theta, which is interesting. Considering that I know a lot of people are into like, you know, streaming and stuff like that. It's an interesting project. A lot of people don't talk about it that much. Right? I don't know why, but I guess it's just me. But I would say Theta right now still has some bearish divergence. A lot of these altcoins are going to have bearish divergence, guys. We have swing lows and we have swing highs coming in here for Theta. Another bearish div. You know, it's not confirmed. You're right at resistance. The thing is, you're right at resistance with bearish divergence. I mean, it's just classic. So what we have to watch here is, will this break? And all you have to do is get a little bit higher here in the 4 hour to nullify this. You just get slightly higher on the 4 hour. That's gone. It would be beautiful. It would be a beautiful sight to see. But you haven't done it yet. You have not done it quite yet. Let's actually take a 4 hour fib on Theta real quick. Let's take swing low to swing high to swing low. Let's actually see here. Let's go down here on Theta and see. So you didn't quite come up to the 618 retrace yet. You're kind of sitting right at the 0.5. So there's a lot of confluence here, resistance here at the 0.5 fib, and also the downtrend of resistance. So listen, man, we're patiently just waiting. We're patiently waiting to see the reaction we get at this level here, right? I mean, guys, looking at charts as ifs. It's not, oh, it's going up or going down. It's if this break, it's doing this. If it doesn't break, it's doing this. It's not cut and dry. You know, it can be cut and dry, but a lot of times it's not. And especially if you're right at a level. Green lights are coming up. Green lights. George used to talk about Theta. George used to talk about Theta. I wonder why. When do we think that George talked about Theta? Let's go back in time. Guys, let me know in the chart where we think that George talked about Theta. Oh, no. Hold on. Let's go back to the Theta chart. Where did George talk about Theta? Let me know in the chat. I haven't heard it in a long time. Makes a lot of sense here. Let's say, where did we see it, guys? Where did we see it? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat where you guys think.
Captain Handle to me.
I am George. We're all George. Guys, Theta is an absolutely great project. It is going to absolutely go up to the upside, guys. Theta is such a good project. It has such a good future. It's just going to continue up, guys. I mean, Theta is revolutionizing the streaming industry from in a decentralized way. It's so awesome, guys. It is going to continue up. So keep that in mind. Guys, it's just such an awesome project. You guys should definitely get into it. You guys should definitely get into it, right? If you have any questions, let me know. We're gonna do some Q&A, but right here, guys. I mean, listen, such a good project, man. Such a good project. Now let's do some Q&A. Let's do some Q&A. There we go. I don't mean to talk. I don't mean to say George, but George just hops on the hype trains, man. Hey, it works for him. Listen, it works for him. He always talks about coins when they're at their all-time highs, every time. All right. Anyways, we're patiently waiting for BTC 43.6, 43.6. Woo! Put the crypto lifer suit on. I don't want to do it. All right, we'll do it. We'll do it. Crypto lifer. If you're still watching, man, it's all in fun. It's all in fun. We're gonna do it for fun today. All right, it's all in fun, man. with the bull hat, it looks so ridiculous. I'm gonna get more subscribers like this, 100%. More subscribers, 100%. This is all just in fun. If you're still watching, man. All right, let's get some new subscribers. Let's get some new subscribers. Right, subscribe if you're new, guys. Like I said, I am very, very professional on this stream, and I will continue to be professional. Okay, I will continue to be professional. What other alts, guys? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat what alts you guys want to look at in the chat. I appreciate all you guys for being here. I really, really do, man. I have fun on the stream every single day. You guys are awesome. You guys are absolutely awesome. New Green Dildo, you're here every single day, man. Iguana is, Shane is, DJ is. DJ, I see you in every chat, man. I see you every time I watch a crypto stream. I always see DJ in there, and I see DJ. I see Denise. I see Denise in every chat. Usually the only two I see. I see Denise and DJ in every single chat. Sometimes I'll see Lupus in every single chat. Every single one. Let's see, Matic. We can do Matic. We can do Algo. Clint said, bring me another drink. Sure. We can do that. We can definitely do that. You look like a game magician. Look like a magician. Oh, man. That's funny, dude. Don't apologize every time you do it. We know it's truth. Oh, man. You guys want the Bybit thing? All right, we'll do the Bybit thing one more time while we watch Bitcoin, and then we'll do some else. Let's look at Algo. Let's look at Matic. We'll take a look at a couple altcoins. All right, real quick before we get into that. This is my favorite thing in the world. This makes me laugh every single time. I apologize if you don't like it. I apologize if maybe you're a Carl the Moon fan, but.
And I'm here to bring you this cryptocurrency video. Bitcoin has fallen out from this falling wedge, and I have made 100x on my long position over here on Bybit. You guys should go use my Bybit link. Links down in the description. Bybit link. Bybit link. Bybit link. Bybit link. Bybit link. Bybit link. Bybit link.
We know. You like Bybit. I love when it zooms in on Bob. I love when it zooms in on Bob, man. All right. Let's go look at Matic. Let's look at Algo. Look at some other stuff too. Matic. Matic. Let's see what we're looking at here. So, whose stream is that? It's me. Anyways, so Matic, if you look at this, Matic, I mean, listen, we are coiling up for a move, okay? We are coiling up for a move. You got a downtrend of resistance. 1, 2, 3. You got an uptrend of support. 1, 2. Just patiently waiting on a breakout for Matic. Now, right now, we did reject from the previous swing lows. Okay? So at the end of the day, I mean, nothing's changed, as Savvy would say. Not one thing has changed.
Nothing has changed.
Not one thing has changed. So let's continue to wait. But you should see a move here. Okay? You should see a move by... You know, this says like February 22nd, right? You should see a move around, February 22nd. I look so unprofessional. I look so unprofessional with the hat on. But you should see a move. This looks so dumb. By February 22nd, right? You're just waiting and coiling for a move, right? I mean, listen, we could look at the short-term time frames. Yes, we can. Let's look at the 4-hour real quick on Matic. I have to get a little bit more serious, as I said, guys. I have to get a little bit more serious. Let's take the swing low to the swing high and see what we're looking at here. Dude, the 618, a 618 retrace makes so much sense here. It makes so much sense. Why does it make so much sense? Because you'd be testing your previous lows. So right now you're trying to hold that 54-hour EMA, which a lot of altcoins are trying to hold. Are trying to hold at the moment. But Cody, man, I appreciate you, dude. I appreciate you being here every day too, Cody. I'm happy I can make you laugh. And same thing, sir, dude. Thanks for being here, man. I try, guys. I try. We got. Hopefully, I want to make more of those little short little snips like that. I think those are. I like doing those more than like. Me doing different every time. I like having the short little snips. I think they're funny. But, we'll see if we have more of those coming. So, the 4-hour 50, let's see if this breaks. I think the golden pocket zone, I could see a move of Matic back down to $1.72 there. I could definitely see that. Definitely see that after rejection off the top of your symmetrical triangle. So, just a big symmetrical triangle, right, at the moment. Just waiting to see the breakout. Patience is a virtue. Patience is definitely a virtue in this market. I wish I could grow a beard like this, man. I'd look legit. I look spiffy with this on. Holy moly. Holy moly. Maybe someday. All right, and then, what was it, Algo? We could check out Algo. Algorand. Do you guys like Algorand? Let me know in the chat if you guys like Algorand. I know some people like it. Some people say it doesn't do anything different. Let me know if you like Algo in the chat. Algo. Holy crap, it's already 8:30? Holy moly, time goes fly when you're having fun. I'm having fun today. I'm having a lot of fun today on today's stream. Hope you guys are having fun too. I really am. I didn't even know it was 8:30. I thought it was like 7:30, to be honest. Oh, you know why? It's because I started at 7. But still, it's already 8:30. 30 minutes, an hour and a half. It's kind of ridiculous. So Algo, let's see what Algo. So Algo's just not moving, huh? Algo's just not moving like the other ones. Wow, I'm actually kind of shocked. So Algo, unlike a lot of other altcoins, it's a little bit different than other altcoins actually. If we actually look here, Algo. You know what's funny? If I actually get more subscribers today, I might actually wear this every day. Algo is, let's actually bring this up here. If people actually, I might wear this every day if I get more subs. Listen, what I'll say about Algo is, man, this one doesn't look as safe, I would say, as other altcoins. It will. I would say that you're just kind of in some big bear flag, right? At least at the moment, right? I mean, it is what it is. I'm a bull. You guys know I'm a bull. But at the end of the day, I mean, it is what it is. I mean, we could take the measure move from swing high to swing low and put our measure move to the downside, right? See if we break out from right there. Would give us a measure move back down to about 67 cents. Okay, now, do I think that's going to happen? Probably not. I don't see Algo going back down to 67 cents, but I mean, listen, you broke below all your previous moving averages. It is what it is on the short-term time frames. Daily, I mean, it's kind of the same thing. You came back up, got rejected on the 20. I don't love the way algo's looking right now. I have to be honest. And it's the first altcoin that I've been like, right? It's the first one. But I'm looking at it based off not what Bitcoin's doing. Obviously, if Bitcoin goes up, algo is going to go up. We all know this, right? If you've been in the market long enough, you know if an altcoin looks bearish, Bitcoin pumps, the altcoin's still going to pump too. Now, let's be honest. We know that's going to happen here. But let's actually just take one more fib here. I'm not going to count that big wick up there. Yeah, we broke every fib too. We came back up and back tested the 786 Fibonacci as well. So, I wish I could get excited about algo. I can't at the moment though. I can't at the moment. Let's see. Sir Dude said, rather be a bear than a... I don't know if I can say that word. Can I say that word? C-U-C-K? Rather be a bull... I'm not going to say it. No, I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to say it. It's going to end badly. Rather be a bull than a cook. A cook. A cook. But I mean rather a bear. Facts. Facts. I'd rather have a beer than be a bear. But, you know, at the end of the day, it is what it is. I'd rather have a bear than be a bear, but I'd rather be a bull and have a bear. I'd rather be a bull and have a beer. Okay, that's what I'll say. Be a bull, have a beer. All right. What else you guys saying in here? All right. What else? They had something else on today. I thought I did, man. Maybe not. Maybe I didn't add anything else today. Keep smacking up those likes, guys. We are hitting 1,000 likes. I don't know where we are with likes. Okay, I don't like to look at it till after the stream. Okay, but it is what it is. By the way, I did lose Java. Okay, Java is gone. I searched I searched to the deep, deep depths. I searched everything. Okay, I searched sad face. I searched frown. I searched fat frown face. I searched chubby fat face. I searched chubby frown face. I searched chubby sad face. He's gone, man. That's the only thing bad about this Snapchat thing, is because you literally you click on them and you accidentally press the star. Boom, it's gone. Accidentally press the star. You get wrecked. You get absolutely wrecked. Let's see. I miss him. I will find him. Okay, I will find him tomorrow. That's going to be my mission. Is find Java tomorrow. All right, we are going to find him. My shoe. It's not the same. It isn't. Oh God, Sally. Sally, that's too inappropriate for the chat. Okay. Oh, jeez. QM said, you kill him? I killed him. I killed him. I am from the mafia. This is mafia, Jordan. All right. Let's look at some other crap here. Let's see. Melissa killed Java. She had no reason to kill Java. She had a bigger reason to kill Java when he was rich. Okay? Now there's no reason to kill him. All right? There's literally no reason to kill him. Jeez. All right. What else we got? We can look at AVAX. Let me know in the chat. We'll check out some more alts, guys. So we'll check out some more altcoins here. AVAX is... It's kind of the same thing, right? I mean, AVAX just continues to slowly continue up. I love AVAX, man. I love AVAX. AVAX is just such a consistent beast. Isn't it? Can you guys all agree with me that AVAX is just such a consistent beast to the upside? I love it. I love AVAX. I wish I held more AVAX. Unfortunately, I don't. Well, I do hold it, but I don't hold, like, it's not one of my top 5. And sometimes I wish it was in my top 5, but it's not. It's at a peculiar position again. Look how many dailies he's had. I mean, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dailies in a row. Green. 7 dailies. So you're right at resistance now. Okay, but you're above all the moving averages on the daily. Check the 4 hour real quick.
We're going to write down the filter names. You need index cards or something wrong.
Mike, you know what's funny? Maya told me to do that earlier today. That's actually what's funny. She said, take a picture. She said, take a picture of the damn thing so you don't forget. And I listen. I'm usually really smart, but you know when it comes to stuff like that, it's it won't happen again. It won't happen again, and it always does. It happens again every single time. So, thank you, Mike. I am going to do that when I find Java. I am going to take a picture of all the things. Okay, I tend to be I don't know what the word for that is. But anyways, the 4 hours above everything too. 4 hour is building some bearish diversions right at resistance though. Like it's like clockwork for all these alts and for Bitcoin, right? Lower highs, higher highs. Now, it's an altcoin, right? I mean, it's an altcoin. Once again, Bitcoin pumps. AVAX is going to say, screw you. I'm going to the upside too. But let's just take it for what it is. Let's take AVAX for what it is. You got bearish divergence. Where could this pull back to, right? If it was to pull back, where could AVAX pull back to? I mean, these moving averages make a lot of sense. They're both. It's almost perfect how sometimes these moving averages happen to be right at previous support levels. I mean, you look at right here. You got the, which I believe is the 200 4-hour EMA, sitting right there at 849, also at the previous swing lows looking left. And this again, right? If this even did this, what would this set up? It would, once again, we've seen this for every altcoin, this would set up a pullback back down to the $80 level, and then a continuation back up to the upside, right? I mean, that's basically what we're looking at the moment. So keep that in mind. You got left shoulder, you got a head, you got a right shoulder if it pulls back. It's not the end of the world for pullbacks, right? They can actually make bullish patterns. In the future, if this ever breaks out, neckline's probably a little bit lower. If this ever breaks out, it probably puts you up in the range of probably right near your previous highs. 163-ish. It's probably where you're looking at there for AVAX. In the potential scenario that you do get that move to the upside. I'm going to take this suit off, man. It's too hot in this suit. Woo! Woo! Ah, man. No. What? Savvy, what are you doing here? Savvy, what are you doing here? No, Savvy! Savvy! No! Savvy, what are you doing? Stop calling me bearish. Stop calling me bearish. God. Guys, I just got jumped by Savvy. Guys, we need to ambush Savvy stream tomorrow. This is not going to end like this. We need to ambush Savvy stream tomorrow. It's ridiculous. We can't go on like this. We need to absolutely obliterate Savvy stream tomorrow. Oh, man. This is so stupid. All right. Look at my eye. Oh, man. Justin said this is content. Listen. This is the best crypto stream there is. We do the most things on here, all right? That's what we do. You have no idea how many gadgets and stuff that are on this stream. You know how... I don't know if you guys have ever streamed anything before. Do you know how many sources are in my stream? You don't even want to know. It's a ridiculous amount. You don't even want to know. But anyways, let's see. It's a new fat face. Emery Innocence, I love you, dude. Perfect, man. Fishing trips are done. They are done. They absolutely are done. So you guys get to deal with AVAX. We're waiting for a move back to the upside here. We need a memorial. We need a memorial. We do. All right, tomorrow, here's the thing. If I can't find Jabba tomorrow, we'll do a Jabba memorial, but we'll still try to find him, okay? But we'll do a Jabba memorial tomorrow if we can't find Jabba. Maybe that'll be the intro, right? It'll be Jabba in a casket going into the ground. Maybe that'll be the intro tomorrow if I can't find Jabba. And then they'll have Melissa in the background going. Oh, man. Your black eye looks kind of cute. Thank you. I don't know if it looks cute. It's kind of badass, though. Let's see. Happy birthday. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. All right, let's see. Scarpy said, am I muted or I'm just ignoring you? I'm just ignoring you, man. I am 100% just ignoring you. There's not even a question that I'm ignoring you, man. There's not even a question that you're being ignored. Sardu, what's going on, man? So Duncan Girl swung by.
Duncan girl swung by.
Oh, man. The Duncan Girl. Okay. No, it was savvy, okay? It was savvy. I promise.
For effort. Thanks, Jordan, for the laugh.
The Duncan Girl. Maya, how do you feel about the Duncan Girl? Oh, she's awkward. She's awkward, guys. She doesn't like the camera. Okay? She doesn't like the camera. Maybe someday you'll see her. Okay? But she's kind of awkward. So just keep that in mind. I wouldn't say awkward. She's just shy. Andy said, A+ for effort. Thanks for joining for the laughs. Thank you, Andy, man. I appreciate you, dude. Thanks for hanging out, man. We're having a good time tonight. Once again, Bitcoin looked like it was going to pump, and then bada bing, bada boom, it comes back down to the downside. What do you know? You guys notice that Bitcoin always pumps during the day, goes sideways or dumps at night. It's almost like you can literally do a trading strategy just off this. This is my opinion. Maybe it's something that we can look at here. Jordan, it's called resting sad face for Java. Resting sad face? Oh, is it resting sad face? No, it's not. Hold on. Wait, can I show this right here? Is there anything that's like going to give away anything for me? Let me just make sure. I think we're good. All right, I'll show you guys this on stream. Here we go. You guys see? All right. So is it resting sad face? Let's see. Resting sad face. No, it's not. No, it's not. I don't see Jabba on here. I do not see Jabba on here. Where is he? Where is Jabba? You guys see Jabba here? Nope. None of these are Jabba. This is not Jabba. None of these are Jabba, man. So, unfortunately, that is a strikeout. I'll have to look again tomorrow. The mustache fireman. Ruin the magic. DJ said savvy slap drawer with a fish. We know we love our fishing trips, man. Oh, man. That's too funny. Jabba the Hutt. Let's see. You guys want to know how I lose Jabba? This is what happens, right? So I get so antsy to press the face. I get so antsy. This is what happens, man. You press this, okay? What happens is, you guys see all these right here? What happens is, if you press this right here, this little star, it just goes away. And it doesn't give you any warning, like, oh, this is going to go away. Nope, gone. Kapush. Capiche. Okay? Why is Bitcoin dumping? I mean, there's a lot of reasons for it dumping, man. There's a lot of reasons for Bitcoin dumping right now. Right? Previous swing lows back tested. Okay? 4-hour bearish divergence. Right? Yeah, you had a load of things going on right now. A lot of things. But at the moment, is it going to last? Who knows? Bitcoin has a mind of its own. I mean, it really does. This is what I always say. This is what I said from the beginning. If Bitcoin's bullish, it's not going to give a flying F what any of these indicators are going to say. If Bitcoin's bullish, it's not going to flying F. If Bitcoin's bearish, it's not going to give a flying F. Okay, it's going to go in the trend that it wants to go. We've seen that countless times in the past, right? When Bitcoin's bullish, boom, boom, boom. When Bitcoin's bearish, bah, 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 bah. You guys know. Where are the EMAs on the daily? You're right. You actually just wicked to the 50, the 20, which I would say I want to at least hold the 20. I really want to hold the 50-day EMA. I really, really want to hold the 50-day EMA. So far that we have, right? And why I want to hold the 50-day EMA is because all the times that we got back above it, the last 3 times we had significant rallies, we never went back below it. And when we did, that started kind of a bearish trend. So what we don't want to see is us break back below that 50-day EMA for the short term. Right now, that's sitting at 42.8. So we want to hold 42.8. 42.8 breaks, probably moving back down to the 50, which is at a measly, dubious 41,251. Right? A very, very dubious 41,251. I appreciate you, Jumper DCS, though, Fat Man. Thanks for the shout out. I will find it tomorrow. Sir, dude, thanks again, man. You're an absolute stud always. Andy, thanks again, man. Thanks for hanging out, Andy Park. Andy Park. Let's see. Cody said, Jordan loses filters. How in the world does he save his seed phrases? You don't want to know, man. You don't want to know. It's a deep, dirty secret. You don't want to know where I keep my seed phrases. You don't want to know. It could be a deep, dark, and dirty place where I keep my seed phrases. You do not want to know where my seed phrases are. Oh man, it's my seed phrase is in a place, in a dark place where no one would ever go. Okay, we'll say that. Anyways, once again, someone just asked for the Bitcoin fractal. Bitcoin fractal still playing out perfectly, guys. Continue to watch this fractal. Like this, it's honestly crazy how much this has been playing out. And it's not even the whole thing. This actually extends to down here. I just didn't take the whole fractal. It's actually crazy how this fractal just continues to play out. Ledger anal. Oh, jeez. But it's crazy. It's crazy. So we're right here. We're right here right now. Right? You guys know this fractal. You guys seen it a million times. We're right here. I mean, until it stops playing out, we have to give it some respect. And it's calling for a pullback at the moment, right? So we have to give it some respect. Let's give it respect it's due. Doesn't mean we have to follow it to a T, right? We could just maybe come down a little bit and then go up. We don't have to follow it to an exact T. But it is calling for a short-term pullback. So keep that in mind, all right? Anderson, see you later, man. I appreciate you hanging out for an hour and 45 minutes, man. Thanks for hanging out, dude. I cannot ask you to stay for the whole time. So it's a long stream. I don't blame anyone for not staying for the whole time. I appreciate everyone that does. You don't have to stay for the whole time. Let me know in the chat if you are someone that stays for the whole time. Most of the time. Let me know in the chat. By a raise of hands. I appreciate everyone that watches the stream. Even if it's only 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 5 minutes. Just to come in and say hi. Like, it is what it is, man. It all means the same. It all means the same. We're all having fun here, watching the charts. Watching the charts. My seed phrase, it's seed. Nice. Nice, dude. And Jabba's ass. You guys are never going Jabba's ass. That's where my seed phrase is. I stuck it right up there while I was sleeping. I don't have Jabba. Actually, well, that's where one of my seed phrases are. The second one is, you guys know, Bob was sleeping. Ooh, Bob was sleeping, and we we stuck it up where no one would ever find it. That's where the other one is. Oh man. Let's see. Chinese act. Oh no, said Freddie. I love sleep. Oh man. Black eye. Yeah, I had a black eye before. It's gone. Anyways, guys, we're probably going to call it a stream today. It's getting kind of late. It's 8:47. We're going to call it a stream. Tomorrow's Friday. Cheers to the freaking weekend. Let's get it. No morning stream tomorrow. I'll be on at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow. Make sure you guys are there. Make sure you guys are there. All right? Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Don't panic sell your crypto. Make sure you like the stream before you go. Hit up that like button before you go. It helps the stream a lot. Subscribe if you guys are new as always. Appreciate all you guys for being here. Catch you guys 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow. If you guys do want to trade this volatility, by the way, quick shill. I only shill at the end. Okay. Use my buy bet down below. That's a way you can support the stream if you do trade. Helps out the stream. Whatever. Use my buy bet link down below. You get a bonus. All right. See you guys later. Peace. My voice.